Accounting is a process of identifying, recording, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting financial activity of an entity to permit individual and firms to make informed decisions. Identifying means which account are affected. የትኛው አካውንት ነው አፌክት የተደረገው የሚለውን we can get from a source document ወይም ከደረሰኝ ላይ ማግኘት እንችላለን። የቱ አካውንት አፌክት እንደተደረገ እናያለን። እሱን ካየን በኋላ ወደ ሪከርዲንግ እንገባለን። ሪከርዲንግ means journalizing a transaction እዛ ላይ ያየነውን እንትን እንመዘግባለን ማለት ነው። ከዛን ሰመራይዚንግ ማለት ፖስት እናደርጋለን በየሪስፔክቲቭ ጄላቸው። አናላይዚንግ means examine the activity of the business
is a process of identifying, recording, and communicating an economical event to interested users. The main benefit of accounting is providing useful information to its users. The user can be internal or external. Based on financial statement, the users can decide about their investing, lending, and buying additional shares, expanding the company or the business. This all about depend on the financial statement. The financial statement must be relevant and face